Cherry MX RGB mechanical key switches with gold contacts deliver the ultimate performance and competitive advantage of mechanical keys. 8 MB onboard profile storage with lighting and hardware macro playback to take your gaming profiles with you. Per key RGB backlighting deliver dynamic and vibrant lighting effects with virtually unlimited customization. Dedicated multimedia and volume controls to adjust your audio without interrupting your game. USB pass-through port provides convenient access to an additional USB port for your mouse or headset. CORSAIR iCUE software enables vivid dynamic lighting control, sophisticated macro programming and full system lighting synchronization across compatible CORSAIR peripherals, coolers, fans and more. Experience the performance and competitive advantage of mechanical keys, with 30% less noise. CORSAIR iCUE software enables sophisticated macro programming and full control of your vivid per key RGB backlighting with full system lighting synchronization. And, take your show on the road with 8 MB onboard profile storage. Top reviews from the United States. Love, it. This is a really nice keyboard. Lighting is nice and bright, plenty of effects to use, and has great response for typing, gaming. The red switches have a light click to them, but not too loud. The only downside was that it's pretty difficult to take apart, and the circuit board inside is welded to the white panel in the front. Learn a lesson from my mistake. Don't drink anything at your desk. 1 cup of coffee plus keyboard equals disaster. RIP Great keyboard.